Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a suspension and wheel swap and possibly a windshield swap too. So we have this cool little 83 Silverado here, and sorry here, camera's being all crazy. There we go. Well, I thought there we go. Not there we go. Hang on. Sorry. Alright, there we go. Cool little 83. And then we got this lifted 83 4x4. Now, I will not be showing how to drill out the post in this video. If you are capable adult who's capable of doing that, you got to do that at your own risk. How I do it is with a couple of different drill bits. I do it with a this one here is a 3/16. If it'll focus on that at all instead of the background, 3/16 drill bit, and I hit until the head of the rivet pops off on both of those. And then I also use a 9/64 drill bit right there, 9/64. If it doesn't pop free and it needs just a little bit of extra, that 9/64 will do it. It is dangerous to do, so once again, I don't recommend that. But these are already drilled and ready for the swap. So I like these trucks, doing the wheel swaps on these, because you got a little area you can push down there and it just comes right off. Same thing with that one, comes right off. And then, you know, you just put your new body right on and kind of line it up into the holes. And the way I try to drill it is so that it clicks. Some Fortnite going on in the background, but hopefully y'all can hear me okay. But see, it clicks in there, and it's in there pretty solid, not gonna come out unless you push down on it. And then you got that one that clicks on there, and you just push it until it clicks, and it's pretty solid. Some people will go further and drill those out and put little screws in there. I don't. Some people super glue them. I don't do that either, because I like to be able to swap them around. Anyway, so there it is, a lifted 83 4x4 on that cool one that was lowered. So there you go. Man, that blue and white one almost looks cooler lowered than it did lifted. It looked pretty cool lifted, but it looks good lowered. Yep, same. Anyway, there you go. Finished product there. Thanks for tuning in. Quick little video for y'all. And if you like this type of content, give the channel a subscribe. If you like the video, give it a like, and I'll talk to you guys next time.